Every day I am driven by a passion to reach more women and enable them to exercise and move without harming their pelvic floor. You see, where most of the world think it's perfectly acceptable to pad up and leak, or for fitness professionals to push their clients to the point of prolapse, I simply do not. After having my 2 babies, I believe that the only way to get my body back was by working out really hard. I even became a personal trainer. But without the proper advice, all I did was end up pushing myself to becoming incontinent, right to the verge of prolapse. The advice that was given to me was that I had to stop exercising, and that if I continued to exercise with the same intensity, I would end up having to have prolapse surgery. Over a decade later, I continue to exercise and I have avoided prolapse. Exercise is really important to me. You see, when I was 7.5 months pregnant with my second child, my husband told me that he had met his soulmate. Sadly, this was not me. We had only recently moved to Australia, and within a year I found myself a pregnant single mother with no family and very few friends. Unsurprisingly, I suffered with depression. After the birth of my beautiful son, I used exercise to get off antidepressants and enjoy life again. Like many mothers, exercise was my key to my survival. Advice given to me that I could only lift light weights and only do gentle exercise did not give me the endorphin kick that I loved, and it did not reflect my practical life of lifting a heavy baby, shopping and washing, not to mention chasing after a runaway toddler. Mothers need to exercise for mental health, and we need functional fitness. So what makes our programs different? Well, inspiration comes from funny places, and for me, it was how I used to teach children to read, which is what I did for the first half of my professional life as a primary and language teacher. Watching a child learn to read seems magical, but really it is a lining up of skills taught to them. So I thought if learning the skills of a good reader worked for children, then why not teach the skills that are needed in order to make exercise safe and wee-free? I experimented with the order of these skills and refined the program to include many of the other factors that add up to making a whole lot of difference to what keeps you dry for the long term. You see, at Mishfit, we just don't teach exercises. We teach skills to train our pelvic floor to turn on and off reflexively, and we teach these skills through exercise. Luckily, it is not just me who feels passionate about safe exercise and education for women. I have a team of fantastic trainers waiting to help you right now. Our programs make exercise fun. We will get your heart rate up and give you that muscle burn you crave, all while keeping your insides on the inside and moving away from costly incontinence pads. Check out your nearest location and get in touch with your Mishfit trainer to see how we can best help you get active safely.